Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my version for popcorn chicken. Very spicy and full of tons of flavor. You all are going to love this one, so let's get started. So guys, to start this recipe I have boneless, skinless chicken breast cut up into small pieces. And to that we're going to start by seasoning with some salt. In goes some black pepper. I'm also going to go in with some white pepper for a different level of flavor. So here are the rest of spices: paprika, onion powder, celery salt, garlic powder, cayenne pepper powder, cumin chili powder, a little bit of oregano. Now if you wanted to add some green seasoning to this or some dry thyme, feel free to. And now I'm just going to give this a quick mix to make sure all of those spices are properly incorporated. To my chicken, I'm going to crack in 1 egg. And I'm also going to add some cornstarch to this. What we're going to do now is mix this. Make sure that it's combined properly. And what the cornstarch and the egg is going to do is it's going to act as a very sticky agent, so that when we're ready to coat this in our dry mixture, it sticks to it and you get that really crunchy coating on the outside of the chicken. So once it's been mixed in properly, go ahead and refrigerate for a couple of hours. The longer it refrigerates, the better it's going to taste. Okay, our next step is to make our dry batter. So we're going to start with some flour and some cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to help give you that really delicious crunchy crust. And now we're going to mimic the flavors which we put into the chicken itself for it to marinate. So we're gonna go back with paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, celery salt, cayenne pepper powder, cumin powder, hot chili powder, and a little bit of that oregano. Now you want to season this with some black pepper. We're going in with some of the white pepper and some salt. Want to make sure that this breading or this flour mixture is seasoned really well, and give it a mix to make sure everything is well incorporated. So I forgot to put in my milk powder into this mixture, so I'm just gonna add that in and give it a mix. Now the milk powder adds some richness to this. If you tried my 11 herbs and spices fried chicken, it's really delicious. And it's okay guys, now it's time to bread the popcorn chicken, or the chicken for the popcorn chicken. So you have your mixture, which is your chicken mixture, you'll have your dry mixture, and you'll need a plate or something to place it on before you start frying. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a few of your pieces, place it into your flour mixture. You can use your hands, you can wear gloves if you want to. And we're going to do this in 2 batches. So do how much you're going to fry in the first batch, and then you'll do the second batch. So I'm going to do half, put it in here, and I'm going to give this a good mix. You want that dry mixture to really coat the chicken. So once you finish mixing it, shake off any excess dry flour and place it on your plate. Take your chicken pieces and drop them into your hot oil. Make sure your oil is on a medium-high heat for this. It's not going to take very long to fry. And you want to go ahead and flip them. This recipe makes a great chicken nugget recipe also, if you cut the pieces bigger and you put less spices, of course, for the kids. So when you're frying your popcorn chicken, It's not going to take very long because the pieces are very small. So I would say between 5 to 8 minutes. And you want to fry it until it has that really dark, rich golden color. Unless you wanted a lighter color popcorn chicken. Okay, so this has a really nice color, just the color that I am looking for. I don't want it to get too brown, but it has a really beautiful golden color. I'm going to take it out of the oil and place it on a wire rack so that it can drain. The reason why I'm placing it on that wire rack also is so that that air can circulate throughout the chicken and it doesn't get soggy on one side. So you guys, here you have it, popcorn chicken, my version. Now it's for the taste test. Just look at this.
There's a sticker.
Crunchy on the outside,
There's a sticker.
nice and soft and moist on the inside. Did you guys hear that crunch? So good. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, leave me your comments down below. If you tried, let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for joining me in the kitchen today. If you're new to my channel, I hope you remember to like and subscribe. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.